Hey guys, welcome to my first self-shot video. If you get a chance to see my New Year content, I promised you a few videos like this throughout this tax season to share some of my knowledge on different tax-related topics. The purpose of this video is to introduce a super simplified table that I've created with information from various sources to help you get a clear picture of what your tax situation might look like for the year of 2019. So the one that you're getting ready to file for in 2020, right? It includes, the new and updated tax brackets and tax rates. Whether you're single, married, filing jointly, or filing separately, or a head of household. It also covers standard deductions, child tax credit, 401k, education credit, etc. Just a lot of information that I really tried to simplify for you guys because that's what I do. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Fabrice Metan, owner of a tax and accounting company called Simplify My Numbers. I'm an accountant with 10 plus years of experience, and my passion is to crunch numbers and crush them. And by crush, what I mean is simplify them for my clients so that I can, help them make more sense of it and alleviate any tax issues, bookkeeping problems, and payroll headaches. Okay, so I know that most of us will receive our earnings reports in the next few weeks. W-2s, 1099s, K1s for some of us that own a business. But before deciding where to go to get your taxes done, please, this is a completely free template. Take the time to click in the link in the description, download it for yourself because it will help you get a little bit more information than you already have an idea of the deductions and the kind of refund that you might expect. And I always think that, it's always good to have a little bit more knowledge before you go talk to an expert so that you're not just at their mercy and you have a chance to kind of discuss and ask, not only find the right person, but also ask the right questions so that you can get the most value out of what you're paying for, right? So this is something that's definitely going to help you do that. I hate it when I go to a mechanic and they tell me what's wrong with my car. I have no choice but to just listen to what they say because I have no idea, exactly what's right and what's wrong, and I just have to pay whatever they ask for, right? So this is something that I just don't want you guys to be in that kind of a situation, and just give you more knowledge so that you and your tax preparer can have that conversation. So to summarize it, one of the first things that you'll get to see when you download the report are all the updated tax brackets for 2019. So based on what you make, you'll get an idea of where you stand, right? The next thing, as you go further down, will be the standard deductions. So for example, in 2018, the standard deduction for singles was at $12,000. That number raised to $12,200 in 2019. So you'll get to see that for every category and get an idea of what your particular situation might look like. Next, you'll get to see the tax rate that applied to capital gains on stocks or qualified dividends. I also included some information on education credits, which I know is super important to a lot of you out there to see exactly what kind of deductions and credits you might be able to take. Like, for example, you can deduct up to $2,500 of your student loan interest. So that's a pretty big deal. I also included some notes on 401ks and IRAs and things like that. And so a lot of valuable information that you can already get all for free, simplified for you guys while you wait for your earnings reports. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment below in this video or simply email me at Fabrice, that's Fabrice, at simplifymynumbers.com. Again, that's Fabrice at simplifymynumbers.com, and I'll be glad to send you more information on that. And I will actually do some more in-depth videos on each one of those topics along the way. But for now, you can already get the simplified report and start from there. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video.